I've explored abandoned places before, but nothing could have prepared me for Pripyat. The empty streets stretch out before me, a silent testament to a vanished way of life. Nature is slowly reclaiming what was once a thriving Soviet city. Trees push through cracked concrete and vines crawl up the sides of decaying buildings. The iconic Ferris wheel, never used, stands as a haunting symbol of dreams unfulfilled. In an abandoned apartment, I find a child's doll, left behind in the rush to evacuate. It's a stark reminder of the lives interrupted by the Chernobyl disaster. Standing here, I can almost hear the echoes of the past, the laughter of children, the bustle of daily life. Now only the wind whispers through the empty corridors of this ghost town. The clock in the town square is forever frozen at the moment of evacuation, a poignant metaphor for a city where time stands still. Pripyat serves as a chilling warning, a monument to the unforeseen consequences of our technological ambitions. As I leave, I carry with me the weight of this place, a city frozen in time. In the end, Pripyat reminds us of the delicate balance between progress and preservation, and the enduring resilience of nature in the face of human absence.